Why automate household purchases?
Life gets busy. Running out of essentials like toilet paper, soap, or detergent can be frustrating. Automating your recurring household purchases with subscriptions takes these repeat tasks off your plate, reducing stress and saving you time. You'll never have to make last-minute store runs, and you always have what you need on hand.
How subscription services work?
Subscription services let you set up automatic deliveries for items you use regularly. Choose the products, delivery frequency and quantity, and the service handles the rest. Many retailers offer flexible options and easy cancellations, so you stay in control. This makes it simple to keep toiletries, cleaning supplies, and pantry staples always stocked.
Benefits of auto-renewing deliveries.
Automating your purchases comes with several advantages. You avoid running out of necessities, save on unplanned shopping trips, and sometimes get discounts for subscribing. It also helps reduce impulse buying as you stick to what you really need. Over time, these benefits lead to better organization and less waste.
Tips for setting up subscriptions.
Start by reviewing what you use most often. Track how quickly you go through items like dish soap, paper towels, and toiletries. Choose a subscription interval that matches your usage and adjust as necessary. Many services offer reminders before shipping, so you can skip or modify orders if needed.
Keeping control and flexibility.
Stay in charge of your subscriptions. Most platforms make it easy to pause, skip, or cancel deliveries anytime. Review your ongoing needs every few months and adjust your orders as life changes. This approach keeps your home stocked while minimizing clutter and overspending.